Hello to everyone and welcome to another adventure story video. Today it's 18th of May and I have this video for you. These photos was sent from my dear friend Radoslav from Bulgaria, and it's very nice pictures because this kind of local panel I have never seen, my dear friend. It's very nice to see the future, okay, in front of my eyes. And it's very nice, this panel, because it's more durable. There is no pressure indicators which is shown by gauges, okay. It's more durable, this kind, but I don't know in the future with the high temperature how this monitor will go, okay. Only this electronics is sensitive of high temperatures, humidity and vibrations, okay. As we can see here, okay, you can also control the temperatures and pressures from here, from these two buttons, okay. And now also it's in remote control. That means everything is in automatic, and we can see the temperature, okay, which is 80 degrees and have variation from 75 to 85. Luboy oil temperature engine inlet is 67, okay, there is 60 to 70 range, this is the range. Luboil pressure, okay, kilograms per square centimeters, engine inlet it's 466 and the range is 4 to 5. Okay, in the old one gauges was a small indication with a green area, which means that this is the proper operating pressures and temperatures. But here also with green you can see very nice the working ranges. Here down it's more clear, say working range, okay. Okay, it's very nice this. Also you don't need to see with your eyes how much is it there, the pressure, the temperature. It's more better this one. Also, what is this? Luboil pressure, temperature, inlet. Okay. If we have a lamp here, okay, this is green color. That means in this panel here we see the pressure of Luboil oil pressure turbocharger inlet. And as we change here up or down, we can see different information. It's really nice to see something like that. Thank you very much, Radoslav. Thank you very much, because it's very nice also opportunity to see the future. And RPM, I see RPM it's 900. Very nice, very strong diesel generators. Turbocharger speed is 2652 multiplied by 10, okay, that means 26,520 rpm. The engine is at load, okay. Also we have indication of engine status here. We can see some lamps which indicates some status of the engine. If overspeed occurs, the engine will trip and this lamp will be lit. Okay, let's move on to another picture, but very nice. I like it. It's very good. You will tell us in the future what you will face with that system. And this is the generator from the outside, from far. And as you can see, there's a lot of cylinder heads here. How many is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9? Maybe it's 9. Maybe it's 9. Himsen made. Okay, they're all same type, only the size change. from here I can determine these two valves is from lube oil purifier, the inlet and the outlet. And also I can see this is the centrifugal here, this side. It's very good to have centrifugal because the most of impurities they will be removed from there. Okay, here this is the lube oil filters, also this side, air cooler it's here. They changed a little bit the design. Okay, these covers they make more beautiful. Sure, the design they will be more detailed now after a lot of years of running this engine. As I know, these engines already they pass already maybe 15 years, maybe more. But from 2006 I have seen already installed in ship engines as auxiliary engines. Okay, this is preheater here for the water, electrical preheater of generator, and this is centrifugal pumps here for high temperature and low temperature water. Okay, these filters, the upper and the lower is interchangeable. You can change them if the alarm coming, okay, we say low lube oil pressure alarm, maybe it's set about 3.8 or 3.6, 3.5, something like that, maybe lower. If coming the alarm, you change to another filter and you can change, but be careful because sometimes the filters here they change over, it's not properly changed and some of the oil passing, okay, will not stop. First open the vent, okay, let's say the upper is dirty, okay, you change to the lower, okay, the filter, and you open the vent, okay. If you see that the oil stops, it's okay, you can open this bolt here and remove the oil, okay, the last remaining oil inside. But if you are not sure for that, it's better to start another engine and stop this one, because maybe if the air coming inside in the system, maybe this engine will stop or trip by low pressure, okay, and then blackout will take place. It's better to start another generator and make your job more easier and more safe. Okay, here in this nut here, there is some O-rings which need to change sometimes, okay. Maybe if you replace about 5 or 6 times, you need to change these O-rings, because if you don't change and tight, maybe leakage will occur here. Also here in this cover, there is also a O-ring which also need to change. These filters inside, there is one metal filter inside which you can clean in ultrasonic with chemicals, and the other filters with cartridge, paper cartridge, you cannot clean because the paper absorb all the dirty and impurities inside, and it's better to throw them. I have listened one time from one chief engineer, he'd say that clean these filters and we put back again, but no, never do that, better replace. Okay, this is paper filters, never do something like that. Here it's the change, the interchange, and there is also a special spanner. Okay, if you have an adjustable, you can use. There is also a lock nut here, but it's better to use the special spanner, okay, for this case. And this spanner in one end is big for this place, and the other end it's for the fuel filters, to change them more easily. Also, these fuel filters have O-rings in the middle of this interchangeable part, which also need to replace because leakages can occur. But first close the valves, inform everybody that you're working there. Okay, and here we have another image. We can see the centrifugal filter here, okay, which also have a lot of O-rings here inside in this place at the top. Also this one around, which also have a kit. This kit, maybe you need to have about 5 of them, 6, for a period of 6 or 7 months. And this kind of filters to clean, you do not need to stop the engine, okay? You only close the valve which is located down here. If you follow this pipe, there is one valve only. As you close this valve, the centrifugal filter will stop, okay? Because there is no any oil coming from here and push to rotate. After about 20 to 30 minutes, wait the oil to be drained by gravity and also to cool down because the oil is about 67 degrees as we saw before. Okay, everything will be drained here by gravity to the engine sump tank, this pipe. And then you open this lock here, remove, lift up and remove also the cover and check the O-rings, okay? The condition of O-rings. Okay, if they are not broken, do not change them. The paper which you put inside, it's original paper, okay, from manufacturer. Never cut papers from different kind of papers because these papers, if you will see after, they leave some parts, okay. And this kind of paper which is made by a manufacturer is very strong, very durable, okay, after for remove. And it's better to clean them about, okay, if you work purifier there every time, let's say this is your generator which you work this month and you have also purifier in this generator and it's working, maybe it's need to clean about 1 time per month, it's enough, okay. Do not be so crazy to clean every time these kind of centrifugal filters because purifier also is there and this centrifugal. Okay, this also another view. Okay, and here we can zoom and we can see the O-rings. Okay, there is one O-ring up. This is the inside part, this one here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, maybe it's 6, about 6 O-rings. Okay, this one is at the bottom of this device, which you never touch, and it's very durable. Everything explained here. Also, I believe the kit must be somewhere here. The numbers of the kit, maybe it's right in there, because in the book maybe you will not find. And the kit coming together with all the O-rings included. Okay, this is here. As you can see, there is lock also. This is very good. That is locked. Low oil filter cartridge to change. You remove this lock and after put the spanner, the special spanner. And here there is instructions how to clean the compressor side of the turbocharger. Okay, there is instruction and also we have, as I can see here, now 9-cylinder engine, very big engine, very strong. And we have the firing order here. From here you can see which cylinder coming next. Okay, when you make overhauling or you measure something, there like deflections, like adjustment of the exhaust valves and inlet valves. And here it's indication which filter is in use, lower, upper, or both in use. Okay, very nice engine. Here in this side is the lube oil, thermostatic valves, where is also inform the engine type and the range. Be careful, do not mix the Luboil thermostatic valves with Jacket thermostatic valves, because their look likes outside the same, but the range is different. You can determine this range on the thermostatic valve. Check very carefully to not do this mistake. Okay, thank you for watching. I wait for your subscribes, your likes, and your comments. Thank you guys. See you soon. Stay tuned with Adventure Story. Bye bye.